a young nigga stacking up that pay, put on for the city, made it happen. Should've seen they face, they can't believe I did it. Started rapping, finally found a way. Now we got 7 figures. When people see me out, they just say, hey, Ty, can I get a picture? Before a nigga come around trying to play high, boy, bro, the kid that fire underneath this. Big boy motor with gears, display, controller, and a throttle. This is the victim of the hub motor. We're just gonna try to remove this. I'm gonna put a Shimano on it as well because these LMXTs are not that good. Okay, I got the shifter off somewhat. I'm just gonna take off the wheel now. Should just pop off now. Oh, there we go. That was pretty easy. All right, I got the tire together. Such a pain. Wheel on.
Danny said yes.
No way.
She said just leave.
Oh my god, it doesn't spin. Okay, I think I figured it out. There's like this weird mount in the back. I think it's like an example. It's plastic. So I'm gonna remove that. Hopefully it works. All right, if you guys buy this, make sure before you put the brake rotor on, take this thing off. It will rub against that mount and not make your wheel work at all one bit. So please just remove this little plastic thing. It's going in the bin. Look how much better this thing spins now. And look. Pedals can work just fine. Oh yeah, check this hoodie. twowheelcustoms.com. Alright, let's take off this chopped LMXT brake and put on a Shimano. It's just going to be a 2-piston Shimano, but it's whatever. Through here. And I'm going to install the controller up here on top or right here. Actually, should I do it here? I don't know. You'll see in a second though. Alright, I'm going to mount it. Jesus, there's a lot of bikes in here. I'm going to mount it in the back right here. And up like that. So nothing gets in the way. Alright, if you guys get this, when you put it on, I would recommend putting it here. So you have room for your battery down here still. And this reaches perfectly, so you can just zip tie it up top, make it more discreet. And to here, you still have all that room, so I'd recommend doing that. It's looking pretty good so far. Whew. Putting the throttle on, just want to take off your grip. And then slide your throttle on. Just like this. Make sure it's the right way though, otherwise you're gonna do it wrong. And then you want to slide it over top, slide it through, and then bolt it down. If you don't look closely, like you would not tell this is an e-bike. Like even the throttle, it's low key. It looks like a shifter. You got the throttle. If you could find a way to cover up the wires, it would be, you could convince someone that it's a pedal bike. You could like probably duct tape these wires up or something. And I don't know how you would cover the battery, but this is a different story. Okay, I want to give a quick rundown on this little yellow box thing because people normally don't know how to use these. Okay, it's obvious that green goes to green, yellow goes to yellow, blue goes to blue, and like the other colors you have. Sometimes you'll have battery wires like red and black. Make sure those go together. Do not put black and red together. It will blow up. You want to make sure these are as flat as possible as well. If they're angled, they're probably going to snap and you're going to have to buy a new controller or motor. Make sure they're pretty flat. Don't tighten them too much, but you want to make sure they're pretty tight. Don't use like one of those. You can use needle nose pliers. And when you just put it back on, just make sure it lines up. Because if it doesn't, it's probably going to end bad. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, I got the battery on. It was kind of a tight fit. Whenever you plug it in and plug this wire out, you just make sure the battery's off. It won't spark. It's looking pretty good so far. Really low key though. It's like you can't even tell. My God.